Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 credit cards that you can get larger credit card limits, even with bad credit and with no hard inquiry. Now, by getting larger credit card lines, this can help increase your credit score if you're a person under a 700 credit score without removing one negative item, and you can see an increase of 49 points once that line of credit report to your credit reports. These lines of credit are primary lines of credit, meaning they're being obtained in your own personal name, unlike authorized users. And now banks will only look at certain credit card products to see if you have already large lines of credit in your own personal name, not an authorized user. Now, also, obtaining larger lines of credit helps your overall utilization, and banks only trust you as far as the last bank trusts you. So this can help you report this larger line of credit for other banks to give you larger credit lines. Now, if you are new to this channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So subscribe to the channel. And if you go to my website, you can download this free hard inquiry removal package for free. The link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, the first card on my list is the Yendo credit card.
Now, this card is Yendo. Yendo is a card powered by your car. And with Yendo, you can pre-approve in just 2 minutes and you can get card limits up to $10,000, and all credit scores are welcome to apply. You can also use this card to help you build your credit because it reports to all 3 of the major credit bureaus. And you can also get a line of credit up to $10,000, which will help you approve for other bank cards. Now, Yendo can actually give you this card if your car is paid off or have payments. The card due needs to be a 2007 and higher, and the process is simple. If your car is paid off, first you get pre-approved, fill out the information about your car, and you would just get pre-approved in 2 minutes with no impact on your credit score. And step 2, verify yourself and your car. Once you got the pre-approval, verify your information by taking photos of your car and your ID. Step 3, access your money after your approval and dropping off your title at one of their 93,000 retail partners. You'll get access to a virtual card while your physical card is mailed to you. Now, if you have payments on your vehicle, step 1, you get pre-approved, fill out some information about you and your car, and get pre-approved in 3 minutes with no impact on your credit scores. Step 2, transfer your loan. Digitally transfer your existing auto loan to Yendo in minutes. Step 3, access your money. After approval, you'll get access to a virtual card instantly while your physical card is mailed to you. Now, this allows your car is your key to a new credit card. The Yendo credit card uses your car's equity to give you access to higher credit limits at an affordable rate. It can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted for everyday purchases or big ticket items. So whether you need your credit now or just in case, apply today and tap into the value of your card like never before. Now, here's the factors that determine your card limit. So your card self, your credit history, and your income and expense ratio, or known debt to income ratio. And one of the suggested amount to make for approval for this card is $60,000 a year. Now, if you own your car, you can benefit by getting that $10,000 line of credit, building your credit with on-time payments and same-day access, and that is to those funds. And if you are making payments on your car, you can reduce your monthly auto loan payment, get additional spending power, and increase your available credit as you pay the card down on your loan, and you can get the same-day access to funds also. Now, this card even has features where you can get a cash advance from Yendo, but also keep in mind that this card has a $40 annual fee, and the APR on this card is $29.88. Keep in mind, I have a Sapphire Reserve Chase credit card, which is a high tier credit card, and my APR on that card is 26% on that card. So it all depends. But because this card is attached to your card, you do want to use this responsibly, you guys. Now, they also say that they will work with you, that if you miss a payment or get unemployed, they're not looking to come and take your car from the door, but this is connected to your car. So you do want to use this responsibly.
Additionally, to help yourself, you want to make sure that you have even negative items that you can deal with off of your credit report that are easier to tackle to help you even get more approvals once you add on these lines of credit. Now, with my elite credit system, users like Greg was able to remove collections within 12 days. So if you need my help with my coaching and AI software, the link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, the second card on my list is the Karat credit card.
Now, this next card is no impact to your credit score to apply, and it's by Karat. And with this card, it's for those who are trying to be social media creators. So you can get approved off of your social media following, like TikTok, YouTube, even Instagram. And with this card, it is a metal card, and they don't consider your credit score for approval with this card. They look at the numbers off of your social media. So this is a new way that you can build credit and get approved for this card. And its limits is based on your social media stats, because they know there are a lot of new people that is using social media to make money. And this acts as a charge card. So it is a 30-day pay period for this card, where you can carry the balances for 30 days, but then the money will come out of your account. But they do report to the major credit bureaus, and you can build credit, and there's no interest on your purchases. They make money off of the merchant fees when you use this card. And with this card, I was able to get approved for a $25,000 credit card, so they can give you larger limits with this Karat card and your own unique logo for your brand. This card is to help you use for ad spend to promote your business, Amazon, inventory, PayPal, travel, dining, and cameras, game, gas, and more, to help you actually grow as a social media influencer. And with this, you can use it almost like a small business credit card, but they will approve you off of your social media stats. So this is a good way for you to get a credit card, not based solely off of your credit score, without a hard inquiry.
Now, the third card on my list is the Apple credit card.
Credit card, where you can see your pre-qualified limit before you apply. And this card is underwritten by Goldman and Sachs. Now, it's been reported with the Apple credit card, people have been approved with credit scores as low as a 600 credit score. Now, with Apple, this card will be pulling from TransUnion. So there's also reports, once you pre-qualify and get your limit, if you go and lock your TransUnion credit report and then apply for the card, you could get qualified with no hard inquiry. And so checking out if you are qualified will not hurt or affect your credit score. So check out the Apple credit card.
Now, hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section, or more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.